Hey guys, welcome to Doug Will Fix It, and we're back on the LG TV Flex, and right now we're having a different issue, which is that all the HDMI inputs are busted. None of them are working, so I've tried a few different HDMI inputs. I've got two. You can see one is actually on, and it is detecting something on there, but it never gets a signal. It just says no signal all the time. Now I've tried all three HDMIs on this LG TV, and then none of them seem to work. The aerial and the RGB seem to work fine, or the AV input seem to work fine, but the HDMI themselves are not working. And I'm going to show you a few tips and maybe a way how to fix it. Let's have a look. Alright, so we're looking at the back of the TV, and if you've seen some of our previous videos, you know that this is the power. This is where the mains goes in, and all the power for the TV is sort of sorted out. This is the intelligence or the smart part of the TV, where you've got the RGB ins, you've got all the different colors and stuff, and you've got the two HDMIs. There's also HDMI on the side here. So what we're going to look at is why are the HDMI inputs not working? Just the HDMI inputs. Remember, the TV aerial works fine. The AVs, the following three AVs work fine. RGB. So what we have is a problem specifically on these two. Okay, now they are controlled by the HDMI chip, which is this one, and you can normally tell what the HDMI chip is if you follow. You see these little tracks. If you follow them, they go into this chip. Look at the next one, they go round up here and into this chip. And if you look at the third HDMI, HDMI 3, which is this one here, if you follow the tracks, it goes all the way around, it goes up, goes through the middle here, and you can see it go up into here and it goes into here. So maybe something's up with the chip. Now, in the past, we've put this board in the oven to heat it up to get the solder to reset. Well, it may be that we need to do it again, but we're going to try a little shortcut with the hairdryer, and we're going to heat this chip up. I'm not sure for how long. I'm going to try it for 5 minutes first, or a couple of minutes at least. Get it nice and hot, and then retest the TV and see if that works. So let's give that a shot. Alright, so hairdryer at hand. Yes, borrowed it from the missus. You know what I'm saying. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and heat this chip up to see if that helps reset some of the solder. Otherwise, we may have to stick this bad boy back in the oven, the complete board back in the oven, and give it a shot, and then see if that fixes it after a 10-minute baking, as you've seen in some of our previous videos. So let's give it a shot. Put it on full power, full heat, and we'll just warm that chip right up, right like that. You see that? Alright, let's see how. Oof, it's nice and hot. I did heat up the HDMIs as well, just in case they're a little loose from all the wires and all the wires pulling on them. We'll do that anyway. Alright, let's see. Nice and hot. Oof, nice and hot. So what we're going to do is we're going to fire this TV up again and see if that did the trick. Hey guys, there you go. It looks like it worked. As you can see, it's back. I've got my inputs running again. I would say I put my Chromecast in as well just to make sure, and you can see Chromecast is back. Go on, bad boy. Yes. So I reckon about a minute and a half of hair drying heat should do the trick. It could last, who knows how long it could last. It might get you over a couple of months, it might get you over a couple of weeks, I'm not sure. But for a more permanent solution, either bake the board, and you can see that in our previous videos, or I would say swap the board over, get a replacement main board for it. So that's the only way to really fix it permanently. It may, I mean, this might last forever. I doubt it, but it might. But just see how it goes. So far it's been running for a minute, and I just want to quickly show you that it is working. It's the same TV, no issues. Just make sure that when you do the hairdryer stuff, you pull the power out. Be sensible, be smart, and use your brains, alright? So don't take any risks with live electricity and all that. Unplug all the mains before you start playing with the board in the back. As you saw in my video, the mains were out and I started the hairdryer treatment. So you need to do it for about a minute to 2 minutes. Give it a shot, see how it goes. If not, you could try a little bit longer, but it shouldn't take that long for it to come on again. But there you go, it's working, job done. Please like this video, please sub it, and sub the channel, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.